Welcome everyone. I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert.
And I'm Erica Botker, AccuQuilt Creativity Specialist, here to show you how to combine the new strip module with blocks in AccuQuiltable to build fun new designs.
I'm so excited. We have several tutorials about working with AccuQuiltable software, so to be sure to check them all out to make the most of your software and all of your Go dies.
Now, adding new modules to either Basic Tools or Block Maker is easy. Open the software and go to the Help button right up here. Select Activation. Now, AccuQuiltable software and modules are available to purchase at AccuQuilt.com or from your local AccuQuilt dealer.
Now, Erica has hers already loaded onto her computer. So today we're going to be working with Block Maker so we can take advantage of all of those great design benefits. So how about we go combining blocks with strip modules, Erica? Let's make it fancy.
Okay. So it's really simple to do, and there are so many options. So here is a look. We're going to go down to my computer screen. Here's a look at a block I designed when I was working on templates to go with the strip die module.
Look at how fun that block is.
Now this is a basic Ohio star.
It is.
But in this case, I actually used the 5-inch cube. So that means that this is a 7.5-inch finished Ohio star. That's not a normal size for a quilt block.
Right.
So we want the block to actually be 10 inches. So I can do that using the 1 3/4-inch strip die.
Oh, that's perfect for combining block on board dies that are different sizes. So you can add a border to the smaller block to make it the same size as the large one, right?
That's right. Plus, the strip module, adding strips will be included with your cutting instructions and yardage the program produces when you design a project and click on the fabric calculator. So let's take a look at adding those border strips, shall we?
All right. Now, before anyone asks, yes, you did see the strips appearing in Basic Tools and Block Maker, but you did not have the capability to change the length of those strips.
Right.
They were just there for sashings and borders.
Oh, that's a great point.
Okay.
All right, so let's look at how to add those. So we're going to go to the Find Your Die icon. It's the one with the kite shape. And the easiest way is to go up to where it says Show, click the drop down, and just select Strips.
All right.
So I want to find the 1 3/4-inch strip die, and here it is.
Now, Erica, we have over 20 strip dies. Are they all listed in this module?
They are indeed.
Excellent.
As a matter of fact, not only that, but every version of it. So we'll have both the 2.5-inch strip die that has 3 across and the 2.5-inch strip die that only has 2.
Oh.
Plus we'll have the short version as well.
Wonderful.
So we're going to go ahead and click on this and click OK. Now I'm going to get a pop-up that's going to say how long I want these strips to be. I'm going to do my side strips. So those are going to be, I'm going to want these to be 7.5 inches.
Right. Because you want the finished size.
Right.
Okay.
And just 7.5. We're going to click OK. And now I'm going to pull this over to the side and let's change it so that it's the color.
Oh, perfect.
I did that by right clicking. Now I can go up here and rotate my strip.
Yes, you can. Oh, perfect.
And now I can slide it into position.
Ta-da!
I'm going to make a copy of that and put it on the other side. And there we go.
Perfect.
Now what I want to do is go back up to my Find My Die.
Okay.
I want to sort down to my strips again.
Okay.
I'm going to go back to my 1 3/4-inch strip.
Right.
But this time I want that length to be 10 inches.
Oh, look at how brilliant we are. And we meaning the program.
I'm going to change the color so it's pretty by right clicking.
Okay.
And now I can slide this into position right up here. Make a copy of it. I'm going to paste it down here. Paste. and then I'll click back up here and I'll have an extra one to drag. And there we go.
Ta-da, ta-da.
So now our block is going to measure 10 inches so that I can use this same block to match up with another 10-inch die.
Oh, perfect.
All right, quilters, our team has had so much fun designing with this new module. It's a must-have for AccuQuiltable users, and we know that you'll love it too.
That's right, because you know AccuQuilt is all about helping you cut time.
So you can design, quilt, and create more.